Hi, my name is Arif Husaini. I'm the General Manager of Satuan.
My name is Rafizwan, the Operational Manager.
Together, we
are Satuan.
Satuan is about to shift the way of your thinking about modern educational system. The former CEO of Talent Corp mentioned that average recruiters only spend 6 seconds on a curriculum vitae and mostly will find reasons to reject it. He advised students not to take their CV lightly. Satuan analysed the expert concern and managed to extract a concrete problem statement from their concern. The issue is, here students have difficulties to get a job. They don't have a reliable and strong curriculum vitae improving their non-academic performance. We are proud to say that Satuan has the solution, and that's its Satuan system. In Satuan system, we provide a platform for students to create, join, and manage organizations and events in campus systematically. The participants of every event need to scan QR code as a proof of their attendance verification. Once the attendance had been verified, the event had ended, Satuan system will send notification to all participants to evaluate the event by using Satuan evaluation forms. And the organizers will evaluate their team and participants in general. After they have completed the evaluation form, each one of them will be given with a point which will contribute to their overall points for non-academic performance. There are two customer segments for Satuan system. The first one is the HIL student itself, which is reported by Department of Statistics Malaysia to be make up 19.8% unemployed among their graduates in 2018. The second customer is the HIL itself, which is struggling to move toward digitalizing their entire ecosystem of educational and student affairs management by their own. The market for Satuan system is extremely huge. It includes over 1 million higher educational students in Malaysia with around 220,000 new enrollment every year. Malaysia also holds up to 727 units of registered HILs. The total market size in Malaysia for Satuan system is over 220 million ringgit Malaysia annually. Let's take 1.5% from that. By applying our business model, we are positive to get more than 3 million ringgit Malaysia annually. And this value will grow exponentially for the next following years. There are three main value propositions proposed by Satuan Sembilan Bahad. The system is exclusive for non-academic development, visualizing a complex data, contain extremely high level of reliable data. By using our services, we can ensure every higher educational institute all over Malaysia save thousands of ringgit a year on its allocation to non-academic development while maximizing its positive outcome. Satuan system competitive advantage is that the system is closed end-to-end, which prevents fake and scamming in professional profile and details. The system also allows standardized data collection on non-academic development, where our competitors like LinkedIn, Workspace by Facebook, and Eventbrite are lacking. For our business model, we provide data licensing model as our revenue that comes from university and corporate associations. We also provide freemium model as our resources from the system and user. A ready go-to-market system is expected to be complete at the end of June 2021. The system will be preliminarily tested at a university early July 2021. Next, it will be further tested until it completes one cycle of operation from the end of July until the end of December 2021. Finally, we are expecting to make our first sale agreement and contract with higher educational institute for full operation of Satuan system starting from the beginning of the year 2022. We already has the system, we only needs to be audited. So to do that, we need a funding for our project to put it in the real market. We need support 300,000 ringgit Malaysia yearly to execute Satuan system until it made our first positive revenue, which is expected to be at the end of 2022. Please note that you are not just investing our great product and business, you are investing in a great, autistic, and committed team member of Satuan. These team members include Nur Arif Husaini bin Nawaza, which is specializing in developing full-stack system, algorithm, and mathematical model. And also Muhammad Rafizwan bin Abdul Rahim, which is specializing in developing multimedia content and analyzing policy. Let's conclude the pitch deck of our project. For more details, please contact us. That's all from us. Thank you very much.
See you next time.